Hello, my name is Sven Hansen-Britt and I'm a chef, and today I wanted to talk to you about Languedoc wines. So I've got a bit of a personal connection with Languedoc wines because when I was a young chef I wanted to travel the world and visit different countries and learn all about different cuisines, and I actually took my car over to France and I drove down to Languedoc and I lived in France for a year. So Languedoc is a huge region, it produces a lot of wine. So whilst I was there I learned all about the diversity, the different grape varieties, and I drank some really fantastic wines. Today I've brought along these 3 wines which are all AOP, like this Minervois, which are going to pair perfectly with the menu that I'm producing. Along with the AOP, there's some really great wines being produced under the IGP classification, where wine growers are being more flexible and potentially choosing grape varieties that aren't native to the region. So we're going to start today with this really delicious fresh rosé. That's going to partner perfectly with this raw red mullet with blood orange, lots of basil and a citrus dressing. So this Minervois is a really interesting wine. It's got an intense mineral characteristic, but also it's a little bit salty. So we've created this goat's cheese custard with samphire, chicken skin and roasted peach, which is going to pair wonderfully with the wine. This 2016 Tête de Bélier is juicy, it's fruity, it's intense, it's a little bit spicy, and I've created this ratatouille, which is going to be the perfect partner to it because of the little bit of sweetness that both of them have, the wine and the food, along with this slow-cooked piece of lamb. I hope you found that interesting, and I hope you're just as excited about Languedoc wines as I am. But happy drinking, happy eating, and I'm going to go off and enjoy this ratatouille.